And as they thus spake, Jesus himself stood in the midst of them, and said unto them, Peace be unto you. May God bless you. Amen. Tin chung thu chu an soi lain ama nge chu an zinga alo dinga. An hmena in chunga thlamuan na omro se atia. In chunga thlamuan na omro se. Lapan ma som che ro se. Amen.